Good morning student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. I am your maths teacher. Today I am going to continue your chapter number 4, subtraction. We are doing the revision. What is the name of the chapter? Subtraction. S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N, subtraction. Student, I have told in my previous class that subtraction means you have to do less. And the sign of subtraction, I have told you what is the sign of the subtraction. It is minus, M-I-N-U-S, minus, and we are denoting minus with a small dash. So subtraction means you have to do minus. The spelling of minus is M-I-N-U-S, minus, and it is denoted by a small dash. Let us take one example. If we have to subtract 6 minus 3, what is written in the top? 6, small dash, it is the sign of subtraction, and 3. So we have to subtract 3 from 6. So first we will draw how much line? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much we have to cut off? 3. 1, 2, 3. So how much is remaining? 1, 2, 3. So we will write here 3. This is how we do the subtraction. Next student, I have told you some properties of subtraction also in my previous class. Suppose you have to subtract 0. This is 7, sign of subtraction, and 0. We have to subtract 7. Sorry, we have to subtract 0. So 0 means nothing. So we will get the same number. I have told you now that if we are subtracting 0 from any number, we will get the same number. I have told you this property in my previous class. All of you remember, if we subtract 0 from any number, we will get the same number. This is one of the property. Next, I have told you, if you are subtracting 1 to any number, from any number, if we are subtracting 1 from any number, then what we are getting? If we are subtracting 1 from any number, then we are getting the previous number or the before number. So before 4, what is coming? 3. So we are getting 3. Before 3, we are getting 2. Before 2, 1 is coming. Before 6, 5 is coming. So when we are subtracting 1 from any number, we are getting the before number. We can check any one of that. Let us check this one. So we will draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. How much we have to subtract? 1. How much is remaining? 1, 2. 1, 2. So I have written 2. This is the second property. I have told you that if we are subtracting 1 from any number, then we are getting the before number or the previous number. Next, I have told you, if both the number are same, then we will get 0. Then what we will get? 0. If both the number are same, then if we are subtracting the same number, then the answer will be 0. We will check one of it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have drawn 4 lines. Sign of subtraction. Then what I have to subtract? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is remaining with me? Nothing. So on subtracting the same number, we are getting 0. So 3 things I have told you, that if we are subtracting 1, then we are getting the previous number. If we are subtracting 0, then we are getting the same number. If both the number are same, then we are getting 0. Without drawing line, these 3 things you can do by yourself. Now let us continue this revision. Today I am going to tell you subtraction on number line. Subtraction on number line. All of you know what is number line? What is number line? Number line, suppose this is a line I have drawn. All of you know this is a straight line I have drawn. If I am going to write number on it, I have written number now. So this become a number line. This is known as number line. This is number line. Now let us take one example. If I have jumped in 9. First I have jumped in 9. It is given in your book. And next I have came back to 3. And 2 dash are given here. So in the first dash we will write the number where we have jumped. Where we have jumped, we will write that number 9. Now in the second box we will write after counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will include that number and we will not include the number where we have reached back. So how much number are between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will write here 6 and where we have reached 3. So we will write here 3. This is how we do subtraction on number line. Let us take one more example. Suppose I have drawn a number line. This is a number line. Now this I have drawn a line, then I have written number on it, so it become a number line. So let us take one example. If I have jumped to 6, first I have jumped to 7. Now I have came back here. The second line is here. Now first where I have jumped on 7. So I will write here 7. Next I will count the numbers between where I have written back. So including this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how much we will write here? 6. And what will we write here? 1. Where we have reached. You can see the arrow here. First where I have jumped, I have written here 7. After coming back where I have came to 1. So this is my answer. This 7 where you have jumped, you have to write in this box and you have to count the number between where you have written back. So I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 equal to where I have reached, coming after jumping back, I have came back. This is the arrow when I am coming back. So it is 1. So in this way we do subtraction on number line. Let us take one more example. It will be clear to you. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a number line. Suppose from 0 I have jumped to 6. Where I have jumped, I have shown the arrow. I have jumped to 6. Returning, I have came back and I am at 2. Where I have came back at 2. So in first box, what we will write? Where I have jumped first, on which number I have jumped? I have jumped on 6. So I will write here 6. Next, on returning, where I have came at 2. So the answer will be 2. And in between, how many number I have gone back? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will write here 4. So 6 minus 4 is 2. In this way we do subtraction on number line. Let us take, now I am taking one or two word problem. It is given in page number 52. Page number 52. Now in this, Ashok has 7 pens. It is the question number 2. Ashok has 7 pens. He gives 3 pens to his brother Mahesh. So how many pens does Ashok have now? This is the question which is written in your book. It is in page number 52. Ashok has 7 pens. अशोक के पास कितने पेन हैं? 7 पेन. He gave 3 pens to his brother Mahesh. उसने 3 पेन्स किसको दे दिए? अपने भाई महेश को. Now how many pens does Ashok have now? Giving, doing less means we have to subtract here. So in the box what we will write first? First number you will write 7, then the sign of subtraction 3. Now 7 minus 3. I will draw 7 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How much I have to cut? 3. 1, 2, 3. So how much is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how much pen is remaining with Ashok? 4. At first he was having 7 pen. He gave 3 pen to his brother. Now how much pen is remaining with him? 4. So this is the word problem which is given in the page number 52. Let us take one more word problem. You have 6 eraser. You are having how much eraser? 6 eraser. You give 4 eraser to your sister. How much eraser you have given to your sister? You have given 4 eraser to your sister. Now, how many erasers are left now? So what is written in the question? It is given that you are having how much eraser with you? You are having 6 eraser. You give 4 eraser to your sister. How much eraser you have given to your sister? 4. How many eraser are left? Now what we will do? We will write 6. Now left means you have to do subtraction. Minus 4. Now 6 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now how much you have to cut? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much is remaining? 1, 2. So you will write here 2. So how much eraser is remaining with you? 2. So this is how you do the subtraction in the word problem. Let us take one more example. Sita has 6 dolls. How many dolls Sita has? Sita has 6 dolls. She breaks 2 dolls. Breaks mean, what do you mean by breaks? Breaks mean तोड़ दिया उसने. How many dolls does she have now? Now you can see Sita is a girl. She is having how many dolls? 6 dolls. She break 2 dolls. How many dolls she break down? Break means उसने तोड़ दिया. How many dolls does she have now? Initially how many dolls she was having? 6. How many dolls she break? कितने dolls उसने तोड़ दी? 2. So how much is remaining with you? I will draw first 6 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much she broke down? 2. So we will cut down 2. So how much is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write here 4. So how much doll Sita is now having? 4. I hope student you have understood what I have told you today and in the previous classes of the revision of the chapter subtraction. Student, please do practice of this sum at your home. Thank you for today.